Hey guys, Dylan here. Today we have Garrett's Mini for the Majestic Football Break. We're going to be doing this 5 times, and the top 4 all take spots in the main. We have Addison in spot 1, Paul in spot 10. Good luck to you all. We're going to go live, and we're going to begin this with 5 randoms. So good luck to everyone. First is Ryan, second is Emmett, third is Greg. The fourth time we have Sean W, 002259 is the second random. We're going to it's the fourth random, 823. It's 823 now. And the top 4, good luck guys. Addison, Ryan D, and Paul. So congrats to the top 5. Please head to the main, grab your spots, and good luck in the break. Timestamp is 823. 823 once again. Addison, Ryan, and Paul. Congrats. Whoops, didn't mean to search, meant to copy. I'll send the list on over to Garrett, and he'll tag you guys in the main.